If you wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's not funny. Yeah, everything's better with them, we're just like...
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out 2 different ways of concocting ooey gooey slime. Plus I'm going to show you a way to make awesome use of this squishy goop. Wait, use? What do you mean use? It's slime, right? It's all it does. Nope, there's actually a great way to use this stuff and I'll share it with you at the end of the video. So be sure to stick around. If you're new to my channel and like videos on DIY projects, hair, fashion hacks, and more, then consider subscribing and click the bell button next to the subscription button to be the first to know when I post new videos. Now let's go get our slime on. For both recipes you'll need a measuring cup, a mixing bowl and spoon, and food coloring, sequins, glitter, which you can use both if you want, but they're optional, as well as fragrance. I'm going to add in a fragrance to mine. So for the slime recipe, you're going to want 1 cup of warm water, a half a tablespoon of half a tablespoon of borax, some PVA glue that's washable. It can be clear or white, and then you're also going to want another half a cup of warm water too. So let's start. First, mix half a cup of warm water and half a tablespoon of borax. In a separate larger bowl, mix another half a cup of warm water and about 5 ounces of PVA washable glue. Next, add the food coloring and fragrance. I also added glitter at this stage, however it was not really noticeable once the slime was finished. Try adding it at the end for better results instead. Now combine the borax water mixture into the water glue mixture and stir with a spoon.
If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can
Knead with your hands once it starts to form into a ball.
the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
Now that first recipe used borax, and since borax isn't available in some countries, or maybe you just would prefer not to use it, or maybe you just don't have any, the second recipe is a borax free one. So the slime recipe number 2, the things you'll need is warm water, again a half a cup, a tablespoon of baking soda, a half a tablespoon, sorry, a tablespoon of saline, and a cup of, or half a cup, or 4 ounces of glue, the PVA washable, school glue. Half a cup of warm water and about 4 to 5 ounces PVA washable glue. In a separate bowl or container, mix another half a cup warm water and half a tablespoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of saline solution. And add the food coloring and fragrance. Now combine the baking soda saline solution mixture into the water glue mixture and stir until it becomes sticky, stringy, and stretchy.
Sometimes all you need is to smile to get by. We're one step closer to find ourselves a perfect place.
So you're going to want to make sure to store it in an airtight container like a mason jar or any kind of jar. I used a honey jar to keep your slime. Both recipes turned out great. This stuff's amazing how fun it is to play with. But wait, guess what else you can do with it? You can clean with it too. This stuff is awesome for getting in those little cracks and crevices, like the center console, the keyboard on your laptop or computer. Just make sure it's nice and sticky and not too watery when you use. But once it gets gross and icky, just make a new batch. And the kids love cleaning up with it too, as I'm sure you can imagine. Well, thanks everyone for watching. If you liked the video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button. If you try this project at home, let me know. in the comments below how your slime turns out. I'd love to know. Until the next video, and I'll see you then. Bye.